Marcel, and today we're talking about online gambling. This is our team, and with me is Ning Ning, someone who has been trained it before. Hi Ning Ning.
Hi, thanks for letting me share.
Ning Ning, what's your opinion on online gambling now after experiencing it yourself?
Well, I think online gambling is really dangerous. At first, it felt like fun, but slowly I lost money and became stressed.
Yeah, I agree. Many people start for fun but end up addicted.
True, but some people still say it's fine if they can control themselves.
Honestly, I disagree. Those platforms are designed to give players hacks, so self-control isn't that easy.
Exactly. I hope others don't fall into the same trap.
Okay, thanks for sharing, Ning Ning. And to everyone listening, stay safe and stay aware.
Waiting 여러분.
Bye bye.
Thank you.